Do not use fabric softener on microfiber cloths. The reason why you don't want to use fabric softener on a cloth that is, where is it? Here it is, microfiber, is because what fabric softener does is it softens the fabric. It does that by leaving a filmy residue, which makes it feel smooth, but it traps the fibers. Like, let's say these are the fibers on your cloth. You have your microfiber, and this can apply to cotton. Honestly, you shouldn't be using fabric softener on any type of laundry, because clothes, whether it's like cotton or microfiber, rayon or polyester, let's just say these are fibers. When you touch your cloth, there's like little strings coming up. These are fibers. What fabric softener does is it produces this filmy residue that lays on the fibers to make it feel smooth, right? Smooth and even. But now those little fingers, those little fibers are now trapped under this filmy residue. And if you're using your cloth to wipe up dirt, bacteria, grime, you need these fibers to do their little friction. You need the fibers to clean, to remove the buildup that you're trying to clean it. But if you have your fabric softener film over it, it's going to glide over. It's just not going to do its job. The cloth will now not be able to grab the little dirt and stuff because the little fibers are constricted by this artificial gloss fabric softener chemical that's on it. It does eventually come off, the fabric softener, the chemical that's on your cloth or your shirt, your material. Guess where it comes off? If it's clothes, it comes off on your skin. So now you got all this slimy, filmy fabric softener chemical crap on your skin. You wash your underwear in fabric softener? Now you got fabric softener gunk in your cooch. Your kids' clothes? Fabric softener gunk on it. Just like anything that you're washing fabric softener with will now have this filmy residue. Fabric softener will also ruin your washing machine. Because again, that filmy residue that's in the washing machine that is now getting stuck on your clothes when it goes through the spin cycle, not everything drains away. That fabric softener gets left behind in your washing machine, and now there's buildup. And sometimes even in your dryer. So now you got all this gunk in your machine, which will slow down your washing machine and can not make it wash as well either. So do not use, especially on your cleaning cloths, because you need those little fingers to be loose and give you friction on the surface to pick up whatever gunk or bacteria you're trying to clean. If you put that artificial filmy fabric softener on it, it's not going to work as good. And if you just read the little label that's on your microfiber towel, don't use fabric softener.